Mohammad Hafiz is the captain. Impact substitute is the new addition to this season's playing conditions.
If only I would have known that, Akash. I might have put my name in the hat, maybe. And then maybe not.
Well, England have won the toss and elected to bowl first. So you would have been on the ground from get-go. And for your batting, yeah, you may still want to bat. Why look for an impact sub? Kamran Akmal, of course, a lot of runs. A very good-looking, healthy numbers in his T20 career. 133 is the strike rate. The best of 150, 5 centuries. Close to 7th.
A little bit of swing, but I'll have to bowl that again. That's something when you get a little bit of swing.
That I can tell you as a batter, when you grow older, it's not that.
High in the air. Now then, Mascarenas says mine. Probably should have been Ian Bell's catch. But put down.
It's perhaps better for Bell to come in.
Matches between that side. Actually, the squad, I should say, Pakistan squad. Nice swing, slip in place. It's a lovely delivery from Ryan Sidebottom.
A little bit of bounce, sideways movement. And one thing is certain with Shajil.
And hence why that third has come. That's where he got caught last year. James Vince is not going to catch that.
Wonderful pickup shot by Shajil. Tried something similar the previous dropped catch, but a wonderful shot.
Nick. Is that a nick? Sounded like a nick.
Once again, the pace, the bounce, the sideways movement. That was wonderful line and play through the offside, but there is a few. A 6 over the square leg region, followed by
Peel, which Ryan Sidebottom just thinks that's an outside nick. It's a 2 back on the leg side then for it. And he can't bowl there. And he'll just open up the face. This will run away.
The deep on the onside man. That third man has just come in. Another boundary.
Better length, just to finish off the third.